Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So we are going to be talking about plans to just kind of give you guys some feedback as well on some of the things you might can do as well in your garden. So you guys, I did talk to you guys about this corn. I'm going to be ripping all of this out, and I'm going to actually go ahead and direct sow the corn back into this bed. I will have to go pick up some more peaches and cream corn. I'm hoping that I do find the peaches and cream corn because I really liked it, that one. And then I have in here as well was a white corn and solid white corn. So I think what I'm gonna do is on this whole area here is just replant it up with corn, and then I probably go ahead and give it a good feeding, since corn is like grass, okay? It's in the same family. It needs a good bit of nitrogen to get started. And this time, you guys, make sure, since it's been super duper hot, make sure that you do water your corn. I didn't do right. I didn't water my corn. It was so hot, and I just didn't keep up with it. So what I'm going to be doing, there's something just a tad bit different that I did way back, maybe 10 years ago, was I planted them and healed them up into rows. So I kind of make these little trenches where I can have the water stay in those trenches and not just run throughout this area. So that's what I'm going to be doing, because that's what I've learned to do, was just to hill up so that the trenches will hold the water for me if I just wanted to go ahead and saturate this area. Okay, all right, let's go ahead into this back garden. So as you guys can see, I will be coming back and taking care of our melons, and as you guys can see, it's doing very well. And that's why I'm going to be taking care of these peppers, and I will be in here pruning these melon plants. Okay, but in today's video, what I want to do in this area is go ahead and finally go ahead and put down all of this mulch. And as you guys can see, the sun is going down because, you guys, I was prepping all day today. I prepped all day today, and I made, out of all the tomatoes that I harvest, I hope you guys have watched that tomato harvest video. I literally made red rice. So I did red rice with beef smoked sausage, and I made some chili, and as well I made some meat sauce. So you guys, I really knocked out all of those tomatoes, and I went ahead and just prepped that all. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead before it gets super duper late, is I need to go ahead and lay out this mulch down. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. So I'm hoping that I have enough mulch to do this whole area here. So I did went ahead and waited till the sun went down, because it was so hot, you guys. And I was like, I've been working all day in the kitchen. So I did not want to come out here while it was super hot. But you see, I have this on because the mosquitoes are out now. So now I'm just going to take this metal rake and just kind of spread it out. I went ahead and knocked out just putting down this mulch, which is very quick. Now I'm just going to go ahead and harvest these banana peppers because you guys, they need to be harvested, and that's going to be something that I'm going to go ahead and prep. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these banana peppers. You guys can see all of these. That's been on for a long time. So this right here is sweet banana peppers. They're not the hot variety. So when our banana peppers turn red, that is okay, okay? That just means they've been out there for a while. And as well, that means your seeds are mature, okay? When you have red peppers, okay? Especially ones, so right here, these seeds can be okay. They won't germinate as quickly. If they stayed on long enough, there'll still be some reliable seeds in your green banana peppers, but it's best to wait till they turn red to get a mature seed, okay? Guaranteed a mature seed, okay? So you want to wait till your peppers turn red, okay? That's even with other peppers as well. You can tell the difference in the skin texture whether or not your pepper is at a mature stage. This plant is going to love the fact that I just took all this weight off of it. And as well, you want to kind of keep your hot peppers with your hot peppers and your sweet peppers with your sweet peppers. All right, you guys, so I was able to go ahead and harvest some of the banana peppers. This broke off, but that's okay. So I was able to harvest a great deal of these sweet banana peppers, and as well, check this out. That's a harvest off of 4 banana pepper plants. Now these are sweet banana peppers. This year I decided I didn't want to do the hot because I have maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 jars of hot banana peppers. So I've just planted this year sweet banana peppers. And I think that's a pretty good harvest from off of these 4 plants right here. Now I will be coming back and taking care of these plants where I go in here and clean up some of the plant leaves, and as well look for any kind of pests or anything like that. I see a little bit of disease that is going on here, so I'll be taking care of that. So I'll come back, I'll spray everything pretty good, and then as well I do have some of my favorite things to use. So I do have some of my favorite things to use, and that is the Velcro, and come back and tie up some of my peppers so that they will be nice and controlled. So just in case we have any kind of bad weather, they won't be, you know, flopping around too much, because we do tend to get some wind. So I do definitely want to secure them just a little bit more now that they have gotten just a tad bit bigger. But all in all, these plants look really good. It gave us a pretty nice harvest. I'm going to go ahead and wash these. Now I am not going to dehydrate them because I actually have a good bit of these dehydrated as well, but I am going to freeze these, and I like to pop them in to my omelet. Okay, I think they just taste amazing in an omelet, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And then tomorrow I think I'm going to try to get my post hole digger and go ahead and put down these landscaping posts to build a much stronger trellis. Now you can do so many different things to build a trellis, but this time, you guys, I'm going more of a permanent structure for my garden. So that's what I'm going to do and invest in the time to do, and I'm hoping that it'll come out great. So I'm thinking 3 landscaping posts right here, and then I will go ahead and put up the fencing. Now you can go ahead and purchase cattle panel fencing, which is, it's getting pricey, you guys. So I do have just regular old rolled out fencing. Long as you have a strong structure, you should be fine with using just regular fencing, and that can save you, I promise you, can save you some money in the long run. Okay, so just think about that as well, especially if your fencing is galvanized metal. Okay, so always keep that in mind as well. But that's going to be the next project that's back here. I hope you guys watched the other video I did the other day on planting up these grow bags back here of another second round of potatoes. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. But you guys, here is our beautiful, lovely harvest. I feel super, super blessed as always. Remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy gardening.